Focusing on yourself is one of the most powerful choices you can make in life. It means putting your energy, time, and attention into your own growth instead of getting lost in what others are doing. In a world where comparison is easy and distractions are everywhere, focusing on yourself can feel challenging. But it is the first and most important step towards real change and lasting success. When you focus on yourself, you stop looking for approval from others. Many of us spend too much time worrying about what others think. We often measure our progress by comparing it to someone else's achievements. This mindset not only steals our happiness, but also slows us down. It is like running a race while constantly looking sideways. You lose speed, direction, and sometimes even the will to continue. Instead, imagine running while looking straight ahead, focusing only on your path. You move faster, with more confidence and clarity. Every person's journey is different. What works for someone else might not work for you. When you focus on yourself, you start to understand your own strengths and weaknesses. You begin to see what truly makes you happy and what drains your energy. This self-awareness is a gift. It allows you to set goals that are aligned with your true desires, not just what society or social media tells you is important. A practical way to focus on yourself is by setting small, realistic goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," break it down into achievable steps. If success means getting a new job, focus on updating your resume, applying to a set number of jobs each week, and improving your skills. Each small step forward is progress. When you see yourself achieving these smaller goals, it boosts your confidence and keeps you motivated. Another important part of focusing on yourself is learning to say no. Many of us struggle with this. We agree to things to avoid disappointing others or because we feel obligated. But every time you say yes to something that does not benefit you, you are saying no to your own growth. This does not mean you should be selfish or unkind. It simply means valuing your time and energy. It is okay to set boundaries and protect your peace. Focusing on yourself also involves taking care of your mental and physical health. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Simple habits like eating well, getting enough sleep, and exercising can make a huge difference. It is not just about being fit or healthy. It is about building a strong foundation that supports all areas of your life. When your mind is clear and your body is strong, you can handle challenges better. Sometimes focusing on yourself means stepping back from certain relationships or environments. Not everyone around you will understand your journey, and that is okay. You do not need to explain yourself to everyone. Instead, surround yourself with people who support your goals and encourage your growth. Positive influences can inspire you and keep you on track, while negative ones can hold you back. One of the best ways to maintain focus is through self-reflection. Take a few minutes every day to ask yourself, what did I learn today? What made me happy? What can I do better tomorrow? This habit helps you stay connected with your progress and keeps you accountable. It also gives you the chance to celebrate small wins, because every step forward is worth acknowledging. Focusing on yourself is not a one-time decision, but a daily practice. It requires discipline and patience. There will be days when you feel lost or demotivated, but that is part of the process. On such days, remind yourself why you started. Remember that every big achievement is the result of many small, consistent efforts. When you truly focus on yourself, life changes. You find a sense of direction, peace, and fulfillment. You realize that your competition is not with others, but with the person you were yesterday. And with every new day, you get a fresh chance to improve, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. Silence is often misunderstood. Many think silence is weakness or a sign of not having anything to say. But in reality, silence can be a powerful tool, especially when you are working on your goals. Staying silent does not mean holding back your voice forever. It means choosing when and how to use your voice effectively. It means understanding that not every thought needs to be shared and not every plan needs to be announced. When you decide to stay silent, you create a space for yourself, a space free from noise and unnecessary opinions. In today's world, where everyone is quick to share every little detail of their life on social media, choosing silence can feel unusual. But this silence is where real growth happens. It is where you can think clearly, make better decisions, and focus on what truly matters. Instead of announcing your goals, you quietly work on them. Instead of explaining yourself to others, you let your results do the talking. Many of us have experienced times when we shared our dreams with others only to receive negative feedback. Maybe you wanted to start a business, change careers, or learn a new skill, but instead of support, you heard things like, "That's too difficult," or "Are you sure you can do it?" These comments, whether intentional or not, can plant seeds of doubt. They can make you question your path and even give up before you start. This is where silence becomes your shield. When you keep your plans to yourself, you protect them from negativity and unnecessary criticism. Staying silent also allows you to avoid the pressure of expectations. When you tell everyone about your plans, you might feel the need to prove yourself to them. This pressure can lead to stress and make you lose focus. On the other hand, when you keep things to yourself, you are only accountable to yourself. Your progress is personal. Your mistakes are lessons, not public failures. This makes your journey more peaceful and allows you to move at your own pace. Silence gives you the chance to observe and learn. When you are not busy explaining yourself or seeking approval, you can see things more clearly. You start to notice patterns, understand behaviors, and gain insights that you might miss if you were always talking. You learn not only about others, but also about yourself. You realize what triggers you, what motivates you, and what slows you down. This self-awareness is a key part of personal growth. However, silence does not mean isolation. It does not mean cutting yourself off from the world. It means choosing your interactions wisely. It is about spending time with people who uplift you and limiting time with those who drain your energy. It is about knowing when to speak and when to listen. Often, the most valuable lessons come when we listen more and speak less. A silent focus on your goals also builds inner strength. When you are not distracted by outside noise, you develop resilience. You learn to trust yourself. You understand that your journey is yours alone, and you do not need validation from others. This inner strength is what keeps you moving forward even when things get tough. It is what helps you stay on track when obstacles arise. It is also important to remember that silence is not about being passive. It is an active choice. It is the decision to use your energy wisely. Instead of spending your time arguing, explaining, or defending yourself, you use that time to take real steps toward your goals. It is about doing the work in the background, so when the results show, they speak for themselves. Silence is also a form of discipline. It teaches you to hold back when it is not necessary to speak. It helps you avoid unnecessary conflicts and keeps you from saying things you might regret. It teaches patience, because staying silent is not always easy, especially when you feel misunderstood or overlooked. But when you master this discipline, you gain a sense of control over your emotions and reactions. When you stay silent and focus on your goals, you become a living example of the saying, "Work hard in silence, let your success make the noise." People may not see the long hours, the struggles, or the sacrifices, but they will see the results. And when those results come, they carry a weight of authenticity and hard work that no amount of words can match. Choosing silence is not about hiding. It is about preparing. It is about building your foundation strong enough to hold your dreams. It is about staying true to your path without being swayed by the outside world. When you focus on yourself and stay silent, you create a powerful combination of intention and action that leads to real and lasting success. In today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere, whether it is the constant buzz of notifications, the endless stream of opinions on social media, or the expectations set by family and friends. Staying focused on your own path can be a real challenge. Avoiding external noise is not just about shutting out the world, but about creating a mental space where you can think clearly and make decisions that truly benefit you. It is about recognizing what matters and letting go of what doesn't. External noise comes in many forms. Sometimes it is the well-meaning advice from loved ones who think they know what's best for you. Other times, it is the pressure to fit in with what everyone else is doing. You might find yourself chasing goals that are not even yours, simply because it feels like everyone else is doing it. But when you are always listening to what others say, you lose touch with your own voice. You start to doubt your choices, your dreams, and even your worth. One of the biggest sources of external noise is social media. While it can be a great platform for learning and connecting, it can also be a trap. You might see someone's success and start questioning your own progress. You might compare your behind-the-scenes struggles to someone else's highlight reel. This kind of comparison not only steals your joy, but also takes away your focus. Instead of working on your own goals, you waste time worrying about someone else's life. To avoid this, limit your screen time. Unfollow accounts that do not inspire you, and take breaks when needed. Another type of noise comes from the opinions of others. Everyone has an opinion, but not all opinions are valuable when you decide to do something different. Whether it is starting a business, switching careers, or pursuing a passion, there will always be voices telling you why it won't work. They may question your abilities, doubt your choices, or try to convince you to play it safe. While some feedback can be helpful, most of it is simply noise. Learn to differentiate between constructive criticism and unnecessary negativity. Take advice from those who have walked the path you want to take and filter out the rest. Sometimes, external noise is not just about what others say, but also about the environment you are in. If you are surrounded by negativity, it can be hard to stay positive. If the people around you are not ambitious, it can be difficult to stay motivated. In such cases, you need to create your own positive environment. This could mean spending more time with people who inspire you, listening to motivational podcasts, or reading books that push you toward your goals. You cannot always change the people around you, but you can change how much influence they have over you. Avoiding external noise also requires you to set clear boundaries. When you are focused on a goal, it is okay to say no to plans, invitations, or conversations that do not serve your purpose. You do not owe anyone an explanation for choosing yourself. It is not about being rude or cutting people off. It is about valuing your time and protecting your energy. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes. Another practical way to block out external noise is through mindfulness. Spend a few minutes each day in silence, whether it is through meditation, a quiet walk, or simply sitting with your thoughts. This practice helps you reconnect with yourself. It clears your mind and allows you to listen to your inner voice, the voice that truly knows what is best for you. When you avoid external noise, you gain clarity. You start to see where you are heading and what steps you need to take. Your mind becomes less cluttered and you become more productive. Instead of reacting to every comment or getting distracted by every trend, you stay focused on your own journey. You become more resilient to setbacks because you are not basing your worth on outside validation. Avoiding external noise does not mean isolating yourself. It means being selective about what you let into your mind. It is about choosing peace over chaos and progress over distractions. When you focus on your own path, the noise around you fades away. You find yourself living more intentionally, achieving more consistently, and feeling more fulfilled. You realize that the only voice that truly matters is your own. In the end, avoiding external noise is about creating a life that feels right to you, not just a life that looks right to others. It is about building a future that aligns with your own values, dreams, and potential. When you master this, you do not just survive, you thrive. You become a person who moves with purpose, lives with joy, and achieves with consistency. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest decisions you can make. It means putting your time, energy, and resources into things that help you grow and improve. When you invest in yourself, you build a strong foundation for a better future. It is not just about money, but also about learning, developing skills, and taking care of your well-being. It is about becoming the best version of yourself so that you can handle life's challenges with confidence and strength. One of the simplest ways to invest in yourself is through education. This does not mean you have to go back to school or spend a lot of money on courses. Learning can happen anywhere. You can read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, or take online classes. The key is to keep feeding your mind with knowledge. When you learn something new, you open doors to new opportunities. Whether it is learning a new language, mastering a software, or understanding how to manage your finances, every skill adds value to your life. Investing in yourself also means taking care of your health. You cannot perform well in life if you are not physically and mentally fit. This does not mean you need to spend hours at the gym or follow a strict diet. Small changes can make a big difference. Eat nutritious food, stay active, and get enough sleep. Take time to relax and recharge. Your body is like a vehicle. If you take care of it, it will take you far. But if you neglect it, it will break down when you need it the most. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Many people push themselves to the limit, trying to meet expectations or chasing success, but they forget to take care of their minds. It is important to take breaks, practice mindfulness, and do things that make you happy. Talk to a friend, spend time in nature, or enjoy a hobby. When your mind is at peace, you can focus better and handle stress more effectively.